Hey there, welcome to our channel. And if you want to create a community on Roblox, then you just need to open your Roblox application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on the party icon here. Let me show you. Here it is. Tap on it. Now from here you will find communities. Tap on communities, and from here you can easily find a create community button that will help you to create a new community on Roblox that will be yours. So you can just tap on create a community, and from here you have to enter the name of your community. So let me enter a name from here, like I can name it Late Kingdom. Not like this. I want to give a nice name here, and you can just add any description from here. um, and just like this you can just add a description from here, and in this emblem option you can just add a photo that will be your display photo on your community. So you can just select a photo from here, from your library or any other session. Right now I'm skipping this step. You can just add it from your uh, gallery, or you can take a photo instant, or you can also choose from your files. So from here you can just get a settings option where you can select anyone can join option or manual app approval. So you can just tap select any of these. If you tap on anyone can join, then everyone can join your community without any approval. Or if you have set it like manual approval, then that's when they just need a approval to join your community. So you can just approve them if you want. So now then you just need to tap on this 100 Robux button. So that's mean you must need 100 Robux available on your account. If you don't have this, then you can't actually create community. So if you have 100 Robux on your Roblox account, then you can just tap on it, and it will cost you 100 Robux to create a community on Roblox. So that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.